students. So today we are starting with the step 1 of our first craft, that is paper lanterns. For this you will need materials: 2 color paper A4 sheet, scissors, cutter, ruler, pencil. Now what you'll do is you'll take the first A4 sheet, the first color that you want for your lantern. You're not exactly folding it into half. See, you can see that I've folded almost till the end, but I've left a little gap there. So I just want one big part of the paper and one small part of the paper. You can measure in such a way that the small part of the paper is around 10 centimeters. The rest you can keep it as the big one. So like this, you have one big one and one small half of the paper. So keep the small half of the paper aside. Take the big one. Now you'll fold this in half like this. Take your pencil and ruler. Around 1.5 or 1 centimeter, you can just draw a line like this on both the sides, and we are drawing the line on the side where the flap can open. Remember that. Now here you will mark 1 centimeter each. Either you can keep your fingertips there and measure. You can keep marking 1 centimeter like this till the end of the paper. Okay. Now at each dots, can you see the points that I've made? At each point you'll start drawing one line like this. This is so that we get the guidelines to cut. You can either make the point on the line on top, or you can make it at the bottom like this, like how I have done. Okay. So now what you're going to do, either you can take your cutter or your scissors and start cutting along the lines only till the margin, only till the horizontal line that you have drawn, not fully, only till the horizontal line like this. You're going to cut the strips only till the horizontal line. Once again, please note that it's very important. Cutting all the strips carefully. See that you do not cut your hand. Carefully on the line you can start cutting. Either you can use your cutters with the help of a scale. You can even use your cutters and draw the and cut along the lines like this. The last one. Okay, now what you will do is you will open up the flap. You will get like this. Take your the small part of the paper that you've cut and kept aside. So that will measure to around 10 centimeters height. You can see the height variation. This is around 10, and the rest of it is the big one. Now you take the small part of the paper, roll it like this. Okay, in order to stick it, we'll put little glue on one edge of the paper like this. Take your Fevicol, put some on one edge of the paper, roll it once again, and just stick the tips of the paper like this. So you will get a cylinder shape paper. You can just stick it carefully and nicely and keep it aside. Now watch carefully how we are going to fix both the sheets. Now what you'll do is you will take your paper that you've cut the strips like this. What you do, the last strip, you can just using your scissors or the cutter, you can just cut off the last strip, not only the strip. Let the horizontal lines be. Only the strip like this you will cut off. See, you don't need that. Like this. Now what you'll do, take your cylinder and your Fevicol. The top part of the cylinder, you will start putting glue like this all around the circumference. Put some glue all around the circumference like this because we're going to stick that sheet. Keep applying glue. First apply the glue on the cylinder, the top part of the cylinder, the circumference, like this. Okay. Now take the strip sheet. The top part of it you will start sticking along the edges, all around the edges. Don't worry, the measurement will be the same. It's the same sheet of paper that we've cut. So don't worry about that. It will fix together. Where you have cut, you will just join it like this with the Fevicol. See that you press along the circumference and see that it is stuck neatly like this. Put some glue there and stick off that piece like that. Okay, so the top part is ready. The same thing on to the opposite side. What will you do is you will take the top part, you will put glue to the one side of the sheet, one side of the cylinder, the other side of it. You will put glue like this. Open up the flap, I'm just showing you. You will put the glue, pull it down and fix it to the other end of the circumference of the cylinder. Observe carefully, students. I put the glue onto the strip sheet, the other end, and I just fix it up like this. So you can see it's bent and nice. This is how it will look. Now students, the first step is ready. In the next class, I'll show you the rest of the lantern. For now, this is it. Thank you, students. Keep this ready for the next class.